Spiral stairs are coming down, making massive progress. New stairs should be delivered within the week. Until then, it's ladders to get upstairs. Oh man, mixed emotions, mixed emotions. Love that staircase. Looks awesome. I mean, if it fits is a different story. Platform almost done, supporting everything up. First section of stairs should be going in within 20 minutes. Alright, that's it. Staircase is done. Could not be more excited. As much as I loved that spiral, it was just not practical for daily use. I actually listed it on Facebook Marketplace and was able to sell it, so I do know it went to a good home, which is fantastic. The new staircase, what we're looking at, 3 steps to a landing, 9 steps to a mid-landing, and then 9 steps to the top. Yes, it is a long staircase. It is 14-foot difference between the ground floor and the second floor. Staircase wound up at 3 feet wide. If you remember a few episodes ago, I was hemming and hawing about making sure I had enough width in my dining space to accommodate a large dining table. Once I made that decision, then I was nervous that I made the staircase too narrow. All that to say that I am thrilled with the way the stairs came out. 3-foot width is plenty for residential in my opinion, and I got the width I was looking for upstairs. So all in all, really, really successful. Only thing you don't see here right now is the railings. Those will be going on much later because we don't want to damage them throughout the process, but I'm going to be doing wood railing with stainless steel cabling instead of typical wood balusters. Another change is the framing underneath the stairs. This was originally going to be a staircase to the basement. GC came up with a good idea to do a hydraulic assisted door in the garage, leave the staircase in its current form so I can actually park my motorcycles on top of it. It'll be fine and sturdy, and I can move this staircase at a later date when and if I wind up digging out the basement as a phase 2. So that is it. The stairs are done. You can hear the guys running a saw upstairs. The work is never done, even though the task is. We're currently putting down the eco-warm panels for the radiant heat floors, and we will be getting into that in an upcoming episode very, very soon.